Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Today I'd like to share with you one of the fall chores related to Rose of Sharon. I really like this shrub. It blooms profoundly starting midsummer way into the fall. And if you have Rose of Sharon in your garden and it's not sterile, you can see how many seed pods are formed on this plant. And honestly, each of them has a lot of seeds.
A friend of ours helped us to run small investigation, and he counted how many seeds each pot contains. And in some of them, there are as many as close to 40 seeds.
And if you leave it like that, they're all gonna mature and seeds will open up and seed itself everywhere. And in the spring, you're gonna have hundreds, if not thousands, of new seedlings in your lawn. I'm gonna take care of this now in the fall. And instead of cutting off each single seed pod like this, I'm just gonna cut off whole branches. Because in the late winter, early spring, I'm gonna prune them anyway to give some shape. And it's not gonna affect new bloom since Rose of Sharon blooms on new wood. Let's get to work.
Hey Marcus, it's always so nice to have you as a companion while I'm working in the garden. And I think I'm done here. I think I was able to get most of the seed pods from Rose of Sharon, and hopefully it will be more manageable next spring when the seedlings are gonna show up. And Marcus is here, of course, to inspect and see if he likes it.